Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download your designs from Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your existing design in the Canva editor. This could be any project you've been working on, whether it's a presentation, social media post, or any other type of design you've created. Once your design is open and ready to export, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. In that upper right corner, you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to various sharing and exporting options within Canva, so it's an essential part of the download process. After clicking Share, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Download. Canva strategically places the download options inside the sharing menu, so you'll always need to go through Share first before you can access the download features. Now you'll see the Download Settings panel appear. The first thing you need to configure is the File Type field. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with different format options. Each format serves a different purpose, so choose the one that best fits your needs. If you want a high-quality image that preserves transparency and detail, choose PNG. If you need a smaller file size that's easier to share and upload, choose JPG. For online documents that you plan to share digitally, select PDF Standard. And if you're planning to print your design professionally, go with PDF Print for the best print quality. Next, you'll need to specify which pages you want to download in the Select Pages field. This is particularly useful if your design contains multiple pages. Click on the field to see your options. If you want to export your entire design with all its pages, choose All Pages. If you only need the page that's currently open in front of you, select this page. And if your design has multiple pages but you only need specific ones, you can choose those particular pages individually. This gives you flexibility in what you export without having to download everything. Once you've selected your preferred file type and chosen which pages to download, click the Download button. Canva will now begin processing your file and preparing it for export. This might take a few seconds depending on the size and complexity of your design, so just give it a moment to complete the process. After the download finishes, open your computer's Downloads folder. You'll find your exported file right there, ready to use. You've now successfully downloaded your Canva design in your preferred format. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.